It's been 2 years since Marcus Rogers and William O'Leary were in a car crash that cost them their lives. And after 2 years, the family is still grieving like it happened yesterday. Glenn Reagan appeared in court again 2 years after he allegedly passed a box truck before crashing into a teenager and his grandfather, killing them.
He's seeking continued state of April 22nd.
His defense attorney, Darnell Crossland, had one goal: to continue the case at a later date in hopes of a lesser sentence.
My client's a very young man. The people who died, the family has always, from day one, gave their condolences to that. And we're just hoping that we can work this out for less than a manslaughter charge, because we don't believe the charge supports what happened here.
In Crossland's preliminary statement, he says he hopes the case can be resolved to, at best, a misconduct with a motor vehicle charge.
No matter how well-intended you are, accidents do happen. So we're looking to see what happened. We're hoping to avoid it, but we're definitely not looking to put a young kid in jail for 40 years based on an accident.
Despite a sex crime on his criminal record, Crossland says that he believes the crash to be an isolated incident for Reagan, citing Reagan's lack of alcohol and substance use.
He has no history of alcohol use, no history of DUIs, no history of any of the things that would make you think that this is just a norm for him.
The victim's family declined to speak after the hearing, but their attorney, Pat Cooney, commented on their behalf.
The anniversary, 2-year anniversary, was last Friday, so it's really an emotional case. It's an emotional case for the families, and it's really just a matter of keeping the focus on the young man and his grandfather who passed away in this.
They're not sure what justice looks like in this case, but they're trusting the court to make the right decision.
We have spent a lot of time talking with the state's attorney, and they've really devoted a lot of time and attention to our families, and we know that they will do their best to get justice in this case, which is all we're really looking for.
Reagan's defense team was granted a continuance of the case, and the next court date is set for April 22nd. Attorney Crossland said during that time they'll analyze the accident reconstruction report as well as any other reports that are vital to this case. In Torrington, Jamel Johnson, Fox 61.